Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your daily energies, guys, we are picking few cards for your relationship and for your career situation, Aries. I'll be picking few more cards, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Aries. This card is for your career situation, guys, and this card is for your relationship, and one card from the angel guidance deck. So this is the card. We will turn these cards, guys, as we proceed. So let's start with your daily reading first, Aries. It's the Emperor in reverse, Six of Moons, and Prophetess of Moons, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you do not know what is coming your way, guys. Something unexpected coming. Maybe it may be someone coming to visit you, someone unexpected. It may be your past person, or it may be your childhood friend, or someone from your past. It may be your relative, someone with whom you had no contact for a long time. That person is coming back to you, and maybe for some of you, something that of the past, maybe some shocking or disturbing things, maybe a person or maybe some circumstance that is coming into reality, guys. So for some of you, you may feel really stressed of the way things are going today, guys. But I also see for some of you, it may be something happy that is coming, guys. Maybe a good friend of your maybe with whom you lost contact, someone who has that true concern on you. That person may be coming back to you, guys. And maybe today you are finding someone interesting, someone truthful, devoted, honest, who is a good friend, good nature, and who has that deep love and compassion on you. That friend may come towards you. This may be your friend, or this may be this person you are in a relationship with. So something positive here, guys, Aries, for you all today. A good person is coming back. It may be your person, or it may be someone new coming back to you. And maybe for some of you, some stressful situations or obstacles today, the reasons may be your immaturity in making some choices or your stubbornness, Aries. So that is what I see for your daily energies, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It is Seven of Stars. So with this card in your situation today, Aries, some things are may not be going right. There may be people who are telling you something, to be careful about something, warning you about something, and you need to listen to that, guys. Or for some of you, it may be some impossible dream you are getting, something quite out of the ordinary. Maybe your fantasy, even in your fantasy, it may be your wildest fantasy that may come true. You have that hope and confidence in yourself, and you are taking up these impossible offers coming your way today, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your career situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's page of Suns in reverse, guys. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So maybe for some of you, you both do not share that great understanding, guys. With this person, you may feel that this person is not truthful, or they may feel this way about you. They have certain doubts about you and they do not trust you or have faith in you. And it may be your energy or it may be their energy. You need to be quite careful with this person, guys, because all they speak to you may not be true. That is what I see, guys, with these cards for your daily reading. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Let go. So with this card in our situation, guys, this is the angel guidance card. So whatever we need to do today, some kind of guidance that we can follow to make things go in a harmonious way, guys. We believe that in our life, all that things we possess, maybe the cars, homes, or whatever objects we have, gives us that happiness and fulfillment. But that is not true. The attachment to these material things just prevents us from finding the true meaning in our lives. What gives us happiness is giving and sharing these possessions with other people, guys. So when we do that, we experience that love, peace and harmony in our heart. And when we let go of these attachments, we simply realize the true purpose of our life, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.